Today we've got a B&D controller door SDO-6v2. That just stands for sectional door opener number 6 version 2. I'm going to show you how to program in a remote, or in this case a wireless wall button. As you can see, it's getting a signal to the motor, but it's not operating the door. Now on the back panel, you need to look for the mode button. Just keep pressing it until the transmitter icon right here lights up, and in this case it's just one press. And there's also a few different functions you can have with your transmitter or wireless wall button, which is open, stop and close, your normal feature. And there's pedestrian mode, open, light and vacation mode. In this case, we're just going to program the transmitter, which is done by holding the down button and pressing the transmitter once, and then again, and then release the down button. Now we press the mode button to get that transmitter icon to disappear and the blue light's on. And now our wireless wall button or remote should work. So that's it. That's the quick rundown on how to program a remote control or a wireless wall button to your B&D controller door SDO-6v2 or any other garage door opener with this control panel on the back. I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.